friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome you all in Mechanical CAD Room. Today we will further explore SolidWorks. Let's start. First of all, just you have to select the units from bottom right corner of your screen. Left click here. I'm using MMGS units, which are millimeter per length and gram per mass. For time, it is second. For your convenience, I will request you that you should follow the same units as I am following. It will help you a lot. So left click on front plane, click on sketch. Now the sketch mode is activated and here you can see sketch 1. Today we are starting from circle command. First of all, you just have to slide the mouse cursor the circle which is here. Okay, you can see on screen the usage of the circle command. Click on circle command. Here is the by default origin in SolidWorks. Left click on it. Slide the mouse to any point on screen and left click again. Per dimension, click smart dimensions. Click on the perimeter of the circle. Slide to left, right, top, bottom, anywhere else. Even slide at an angle. You will see the dimension format has been changed, and don't worry about it. Just left click again. You will see the dimension is 82.53 convert in mm. You can enter it like I am entering 50 mm. Enter from keyboard. So if you have to exit from the dimension mode, you simply have to right click, click on select. Okay, the dimension mode is not further visible here. Click on smart dimension. The dimension mode is again activated. So if you wanna deactivate the dimension mode, just click on smart dimension. Again, the smart dimension mode is deactivated. Okay, now let's move towards the picture tab. Left click here. Click on Extruded Boss. Just left click again. You will see here is the dimension up to which we want to extrude the circle. If you are putting here, let's say 40, enter from keyboard, you will see the circle is extruded to 40 mm. For now, I'm just putting it 10. Press enter from keyboard. You will see that 50 mm diameter circle is extruded to 10 mm. Just click OK. Now you have to press the scroll button, and while pressing the scroll button, you have to scroll the mouse to see it is in 3D. Okay. One more thing, if you wanna put a hole in this 50 mm extruded circle, now just click on this surface. Whenever you have to draw a sketch, you must have to select a plane or surface. So I'm left click on the surface. You will see sketch. Click sketch. Select circle. Select center, click anywhere on the screen, smart dimension, give it a dimension to about, let's say I'm putting 15 mm, press enter from keyboard, right click, press and select. Okay, now one more thing is that this is fully defined circle and you can see it fully defined, okay, at bottom of the screen. Let's say just left click on the dimension, single left click on the dimension, press delete from keyboard. Now you can see that the circle is in blue color, okay. It simply means that it is not fully defined, it is underdefined. Now check here, it is underdefined, okay. So if you want to fully define the circle, just again click on smart dimension, select the perimeter of the circle, click anywhere on screen, press enter 15, click enter from key, right click, click on select. So it is again fully defined. Now click on feature, click on extruded cut, and here you will see if I am pressing it reverse direction, it will extrude cut towards the upward direction. But if I'm again clicking on these two arrows, now it has a direction towards the extruded circle. Here you can change the value 20, 30, 40, 50, anything else. And one more thing, for now, just I'm putting it in enter. Press click OK. Here you will see the extruded cut circle. One more method to do the same thing, you can see here, click front plane, click on sketch, click on circle command. Here I just want to show you another method of making the same geometry. So left click here, give it a dimension of same 50 mm diameter, press enter, again select circle, choose the center, give it a dimension of 15 mm, press enter, features, extrude it up to 10 mm, click OK. So you can see both are of the same geometry, but we have tried two different methods. You can simply draw a circle of 50 mm diameter, extrude it first, then extrude cut the required diameter of the circle. Or simply you have to draw two circles. Simply draw the two circles and extrude the required geometry. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Thank you so much.